Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find your Discord checkpoint or Discord recap for 2025. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, open up your Discord application and then you will see this icon, this flag icon, and you just need to tap on that to see or to view your checkpoint. And the checkpoint basically is similar to the recap or replays, just like the YouTube recap and then Spotify wrapped and so on, but it's Discord version, and you just need to click on your checkpoint right here. Okay, and this is my checkpoint. Look back at your 2025 on Discord and just click on start, and here you will see messages sent this year and then total emoji used and minutes in voice and servers and your Discord squad. Okay, and this is the sidekick and your favorite games as well, minus Roblox, and quest completed, and your checkpoint deco. And I'm going to reveal it. Okay, and you will get this gift, and I'm going to claim my gift. And yeah, this is for the summary. You can also share your summary if you want, but I'm just going to close it. And if you want to replay it, you just need to click on this flag icon. And just remember guys that this checkpoint is only available on Discord PC. Unfortunately, we can't open it on mobile phone. Okay guys, and that's how we can check 2025 Discord checkpoint or recap. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!